Welcome to day 24 of our graphics and multimedia course. Today we will dive into the exciting world of creating icons, diagrams and illustrations, three powerful visual tools that help us communicate more effectively and beautifully in our designs. Let's begin with our learning objectives. By the end of this session, we will have explored how to design icons, build clear diagrams, and illustrate ideas using vector tools. We will also understand how to apply strokes, shapes, and styles consistently, and finally, how to export our work for use across different platforms. Here's what we are covering today. We will first understand what makes a good icon, then learn how to design informational diagrams. We will explore creating vector illustrations using design tools, and finally wrap up with an in-class activity to apply what we have learned. Icons are the building blocks of modern visual language. We will explore how simplicity, recognizability, balance, and consistency are essential in creating effective icons. Let's also engage in an activity where we design a set of themed icons using a grid system. Next, we will focus on diagrams, essential for simplifying complex information. Whether it's a flowchart, a process map, or a Venn diagram, we will learn how to use connectors, arrows, and labels to enhance understanding. We will also create a user sign-up flow to apply these ideas. Illustrations let us tell visual stories by combining simple shapes, using gradients, and layering thoughtfully. We can create flat style or detailed illustrations. Today we will try our hand at creating a workspace scene to reinforce these techniques. Let's review the tools and techniques that will support our creative process. We will use the pen and shape tools for precision, Boolean operations for merging or subtracting elements, and layers and groups to stay organized. Guides and artboards will help us stay consistent and efficient. As we create, we need to follow best practices. For icons and diagrams, we will keep things simple and consistent. For illustrations, a limited color palette and strong visual hierarchy can really make a difference. Clarity and intention should guide every design choice we make. Now it's time to put our skills to the test. We will choose one visual form, an icon, a diagram, or an illustration around the theme of online learning. Let's focus on clarity, consistency, and creativity in our mini project today. To continue strengthening our skills, our homework involves creating a 6 icon set with a common theme, redesigning an existing diagram for clarity, and building a two-scene illustration, for example, a city in morning and night. This will help reinforce what we have learned. Before we close, let's reflect. What sets icons, diagrams, and illustrations apart? Why is it essential to use grids in icon design? And which file formats are best for exporting visual vectors? These are key takeaways to internalize. To inspire our creativity and practice, we can explore platforms like Noun Project, Flaticons, and Finance. They are excellent for starting visual styles and trends. YouTube is also great for learning illustration techniques step by step. To summarize, we have understood the difference between icons, diagrams, and illustrations, used key vector tools, practiced effective visual communication, and exported assets in usable formats. Let's carry this knowledge forward into tomorrow's session with confidence. Thank you for your attention.